This autopilot click system will allow you to earn passive income from anywhere in the world. You could be on the beach, in the sauna, sitting by the pool, or relaxing on your bed. You can still keep on making money if you will just follow all the steps from this tutorial properly. And to start with, I want to ask you clearly to state, why do you want to make money online? Is it because you want to have more freedom to do the things you like? Is it because you want to travel and keep making money? Or is it because you want to help your loved ones and buy them gifts or whatever it is? Just let me know in the comments down below. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. This is the platform where you will be creating the auto-click system. It is pretty simple to sign up. You'll just need to enter your email address, create a password, and just click on the sign up button. But before we get to this platform, there's something else which you will need to set up. So for step number one, you'll need to head over to this streaming platform called Odyssey. This is very familiar to YouTube, where people can upload different videos which are being watched by millions of people, because if you open up the tool called Similar Web, it's going to show you that Odyssey.com is being visited by over 21 million people every single month, and it just started growing. Over 20 million people are using Odyssey on a regular monthly basis, which is pretty a lot. It means we can attract a lot of people through Odyssey, and you can see that all those people are coming from top tier countries like United States, France, Canada, Germany, and United Kingdom. So for step number one, come over to Odyssey, then click on the sign up button right here. Register by entering your valid email address, create a password, and click sign up. After you sign up, this is how it's going to look like. So here on the right hand side, you can see your uploads, your channels, your analytics, and your rewards, which you can get for uploading videos. Now don't worry, you will not have to create any videos. This is a lot easier. You can literally set up everything in less than 15 minutes. Just follow all the steps from this tutorial. So for step number two, all you need to do is explore Odyssey and see exactly how your account looks like. After which, proceed to step number three. Here, you need to come over to PaidArea. This is the platform which is going to pay you for different actions. But the one that we will be focusing on is being paid per click. Because if you get paid per click, that means you can get instant payments in complete autopilot, and you will see exactly what I mean by that. As you can see, you can reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment easily, which is 24 hours a day available for the entire week. You can complete unlimited tasks and you will earn some extra money by doing that. So for step number three, I want you to come over to PaidArea.com and sign up by clicking on the create an account button right here. Then enter your first and last names, create a username, enter email address, create a password, and hit the sign up button. And then disable your ad blocker, because it's not going to allow you to use the website if you do not do it. For step number four, once you log into PaidArea, this is how it's going to look like. This is the brand new account which we just created seconds ago, and it's obviously gonna be only 50 cents into the account because we have just created it. We still haven't started making money. We just got 50 cents as a sign up bonus. Now, here on the left hand side, you will have all these different ways to make money with PaidArea, but that can only make you a couple of dollars here and there. So I don't recommend you to do that. Instead, I want you to check out something on the right hand side. side, you can see that the payout for getting clicks on your link, which is right here, is $3 per 1,000 clicks. So if you can get clicks on your link and you will get paid per each click that you get your referral link. You will get paid, so they don't need to sign up, they don't need to do anything. They just need to click on your link and you'll get it paid for that. And I will show you how you can set up an auto-click system to get those clicks passively and earn money in complete hands-free. Besides those clicks, if someone signs up to PaidArea and starts making money by completing those surveys in the left-hand side, you will also get paid with an additional 10 cents for each person that signs up for absolutely free, which may not seem like a lot but can quickly add up because we can literally refer millions of people through our link. We can refer unlimited number of people, and for them, it's absolutely free to sign up to PaidArea, and they can also make some money, so why not? So for this step, you will just need to copy your special affiliate or referral link right here so you can start sharing that with people. So whenever they click, you will get paid, and here you can track your earnings. And if you're wondering how you will be collecting earnings, you can see that they do accept PayPal. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So for this step, you will need to go over to YouTube and search for videos that are in the business, finance, and making money space, because PaidArea is in that space. It's all about making money, business, and finance. So you will need to search for those keywords on YouTube. For example, I'm gonna type in making money and search for that. Now you want to filter your search by Creative Commons because that's going to give you the license to re-upload those videos on other platforms. So now we have all of these different videos which we can re-upload to Odyssey, and you'll see exactly how that's going to help you make money. Just select a video you like, you can use any of these and then copy them. So that's step number 5. For example, I will use this one. So I will just copy the link address. Now for step number 6, now that you have the video copied, go over to Google and search for YouTube to MP4 so you can download those videos to your computer. You can use any of these. They're all absolutely free. Just find one that is working, paste link in this box, click on the word MP4, wait until it loads, and just download the video to your computer so you can re-upload it to Odyssey.com. And for the final step, in order to set this auto-click system properly, you will need to go back to Odyssey and upload the video which you previously downloaded. So go over to your uploads right here, click on upload something new, and then upload that video. And in the description below the video, add the call to action that's going to say something along the lines of sign up for free and make money, something like that. Just create a call to action and then leave your PaidArea link so all of the people that find your video on Odyssey can click on it. Sign up and make money. Even just for clicks, you will be making money online. This is pretty easy because it's going to take you no more than 2 minutes to find a video on YouTube, download it to your computer or any device, return to Odyssey, re-upload it, and then leave the link in the description. So that's how you can set up an auto-click system where you can earn money in complete autopilot again and again. So I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.